How to commit and push code to GitHub from your Visual Studio Code IDE or project. So first you want to open up your project in Visual Studio Code. So my project is inside this folder. I want to hold down Shift while I right click with the mouse and then click on Open with Code. And this should open up my project inside Visual Studio Code, where you can expand this folder and see my files. Now currently I have a simple HTML file which contains a simple HTML page, which is this one here. And to push that to GitHub or push changes, first you gotta modify the code. So in this case, my current project is already pushed on GitHub, but if I want to push changes, for example, I can change the color here. So in this case, I can choose any color just for the testing. And if you go to the GitHub or the source control icon on the left side here, you should find all the changes. In this case, you can find them under your project here, where you can enter a message to commit the change. For example, changed color or something like that. And you should find the changed files here where you modified something. Now you want to press commit to commit these changes. And to push them to GitHub, you want to basically click on sync changes, or you can click on the three horizontal lines next to your project name here, and then click on push, which does the same thing. And this will sync and push the changes to your GitHub repo. And now your changes should be pushed to GitHub. And to view the commit list, you can click on this check mark here to view the commit, or you can refresh the repo, or you can access more stuff from here. And you can also check your repository on the GitHub website. And if you access your repository, you should see that the changes have been pushed 3 minutes ago. And if you click on your page, you should see that the color we've changed now is live on our GitHub repo, which is this one. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.